Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to replace the belt on the Hoover Power Max. Now, first we need to go ahead and slide the brush roll end cap out to remove it, okay? Then what you do is you pull both brush rolls towards the user to remove from this unit, and just note that the belt will actually be attached to the unit. So what you want to do to remove this upper belt cover, you need to remove 7 screws. So these arrows will show you the location of the screws. Okay. And then what you need to do is go ahead and flip the cleaner off right and remove the upper belt cover from the foot. Okay. And also remove the pivot clamp by unscrewing the 2 screws. Then just lift the pivot clamp off the unit after removing the screws. Now, the belt shaft is now exposed, as you can see right here. This is what it would look like. So to replace, what you need to do is replace the belt by placing on the shaft, and then you can go ahead and replace the upper belt cover, the flip cleaner, and the screw in the 7 screws. So I want you to go ahead and do that, replace it, and then come here and slip the brush rolls through the belt. Okay, just note that you want to place the belt on the round areas of the brush rolls without brushes, okay? And with the belt in place, you go ahead and push and slide the brush rolls into unit, making sure that the brush rolls are in the correct orientation. Then you just go ahead and slide the belt roll end cap back into the unit and replace the 3 screws. And finally, guys, just replace the belt guard and screw with the final 3 screws. And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this of value, smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.